Operation Kaveri was launched on April 24th by the Ministry of External Affairs to safely evacuate Indian citizens stranded in conflict zones in Sudan. 80 people evacuated from Sudan on the morning of 5th of May. The task of rescuing the Indians trapped in Alfashir was one of the most extraordinary. Alfashir is 1800 kilometers to the west of Port Sudan. 2 buses were dispatched by the Indian Embassy to transport them from Alfashir to Port Sudan. The journey was too difficult and exhausting due to bus malfunctions and bus changes. In total, 439 Indians have been evacuated from Sudan under Operation Kaveri.
This is the Saudi Airways flight which came from Jeddah. It is carrying 53 strandees from Sudan, all from Karnataka. In fact, their transportation from Al-Fashir to Port Sudan was a big challenge. In fact, we arranged 2 buses for them, and both the buses broke down en route. One bus had 3 punctures, other bus broke down. We set right the bus, and then the bus which broke down, we had to arrange a truck to make the passengers move from amidst a thick desert area, come forest area for security to another area. Then arrange another bus. So 2 days of road journey, these people have reached Port Sudan. They were airlifted to Saudi Arabia, and now they are landing. This consists of the Prabhu, the Hakipaki group of 31, plus another few people added on into it. So 80 people were evacuated from Al-Fashir. Thanks to the MEA team, the embassy, then from Government of Karnataka, we coordinated and gave them enough courage to stand put, endure the entire horrible, shocking experience. Today, we're very happy that they have landed in Bengaluru. It's around 10 o'clock now, and we will be seeing them off in a special bus which is arranged from KSRTC to their respective hometowns.